Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Paul here, and today we're checking out Eurovision 2025. If you have a video request, click over here or go on to Buy Me a Coffee. The link is in the description, and thank you for your support. This is the performance Bird of Prey representing Ukraine. This is Ziferblat. Ziferblat. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe so you can find my future videos, and let's go right into it. Let's check it out. Wow, okay. Good start. Wow. We're going back in time with this one. The face of a clock. Thank you, Nicole. Okay, we're pausing halfway to talk about it. So far, I think it's very unique, and I like that it's in, it's a mix of the languages. The chorus is Bird of Prey, and wait, Bird of Prey or Bird of Prey? Because pray and pray are two different words. So I don't know if it's a misspelling, and I don't know if it's a, that's interesting. Bird of prey because of prayer, or bird of prey because they are seeking their prey, hunting their prey? I don't know. Anyways, very interesting style. Feels like we're going back in time, but it also feels a little bit modern. It's very different for Ukraine from what we've seen in the past Eurovision. So let's see how this will play out. Time travel vibe. It is so unique, isn't it? Okay, I think Ukraine is going to be well represented. The only thing, if I'm being 100% honest, is that I think the main singer, the lead singer, and I hope I'm wrong, but I felt his voice was very weak. I felt like it wasn't ready, because we've seen professional singers with like this strong, belting, confident singing. I felt his voice was a little bit on the weak side, the main singer. That That's my honest opinion. That's what I thought. Kind of felt like he was a little bit nervous also. I don't know. Um, I hope I'm wrong. I hope he puts on a great show for Ukraine in Eurovision 2025. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Maybe I need to listen to it again. I don't know. But it's a little more pita feeling. Okay, yeah, you could say that. But it felt like it needed a little bit more power. But I find it very unique. So it's an interesting entry. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to request a video, go on to Buy Me a Coffee. Link is in the pinned comments. Click over here or click over here for my Eurovision playlist. Take care now. Bye-bye.